Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can airdrop files using your Android phone to your MacBook. So yes, now if you have an Android phone and if your friend has a MacBook, you can easily send files using airdrop. So let's begin the video. Here I have my Android phone, and the first thing that we are going to do is to download a free app to airdrop files from our Android phone to any other MacBook. The app is free, however it is not available in the Play Store. So you're going to open Google Chrome in your Android phone and you're going to search for WarpShare APK. The first link will be from GitHub, so you're going to open this link. I will also put this link in the video description just for your easiness. You're going to scroll down here, it's going to show you all its features and limitations. Here it's going to say get it on easy on Android. We're going to click on this button and it's going to open another website. Here we're going to download the APK for WarpShare app. You're just simply going to scroll down and here you're going to have this download button. Simply click on the download button. Here it says that the file might be harmful, so we're going to click on download anyway. Click on details and you can see that the app size is around 46.7 MB. Once the setup has been downloaded, we're going to click on it once. Do you want to install this app? We're going to click on install, and if it shows some warning sign, then just simply ignore it. App installed, we're going to click on open. So we're going to click on grant permissions. It's want to connect to our devices so we can airdrop. We're going to click on allow to music, to photos, and now the app has been opened. Now on your MacBook, all you are going to do is simply go to the airdrop settings, enable airdrop, and make sure everyone is selected so that the Android phone can see this MacBook. Here on the Android phone, we're going to open the WarpShare app again. It's going to show you your MacBook. In my case, it's showing Wasay's Mac Pro. So on whichever Mac you want to share files, you're going to click on the Mac name first, and here it's going to show you all the files. Currently it's showing my download. You can share files from Drive, your gallery, or through your OneDrive or any other category. So I'm just going to share this PDF to my MacBook, and here you can see on the MacBook it says that this device wants to send files. So we're going to click on the accept button, and now it's going to airdrop files from your Android phone to your MacBook seamlessly. And here you can see that the file has been transferred successfully. So yeah guys, in this way you can share or airdrop files from your Android phone to your MacBook. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.